Imagine two friends. Both graduate from college together. Both get jobs paying around $80,000 a year. 10 years later, one has built a net worth of over $1 million. The other is living paycheck to paycheck, despite earning more than ever. What happened? It wasn't luck. It wasn't a secret investment. And it definitely wasn't because one earned dramatically more money. The real difference was how they handled money every single month. Today, I'll show you why many people never build wealth, even with a good salary, and what separates those who quietly become financially independent from everyone else. Most people believe that a higher income automatically leads to wealth. Unfortunately, that's one of the biggest financial myths. When income increases, spending usually increases too. A nicer apartment, a newer car, more expensive vacations, more monthly subscriptions. This is called lifestyle inflation. Instead of putting extra income toward investments, many people slowly lock themselves into a more expensive lifestyle. Over time, their paycheck grows, but their freedom doesn't. Now let's look at someone who takes a different path. Every time Sarah received a raise, she increased her investments before increasing her spending. She automated contributions to her retirement account. She invested consistently in low-cost index funds. She built an emergency fund so unexpected expenses didn't force her into debt. She still enjoyed life, but she made sure every raise worked for her future first. That's the difference. Wealth isn't built by earning more. It's built by keeping more of what you earn and putting it to work. Many people wait for the perfect time to invest. They think they'll start after buying a house, after paying off every expense, or after getting one more promotion. But time is the most valuable asset an investor has. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over decades because of compound growth. The earlier you start, the harder your money works for you. Waiting often costs far more than most people realize. Here's something interesting. If you study people who build wealth over a long period of time, you'll notice they don't rely on luck. They follow a few simple habits consistently. First, they pay themselves first. Before spending money on anything else, they automatically save or invest a portion of every paycheck. Second, they avoid unnecessary debt. They understand that high-interest debt works against them every single day, while investments can work in their favor. Third, they live below their means. Just because they can afford something doesn't mean they buy it. Instead of trying to look wealthy, they focus on becoming wealthy. Fourth, they keep learning. Markets change, technology changes, opportunities change. People who continue learning make better financial decisions over time. And finally, they stay patient. Real wealth is rarely built in months. It is built over years through discipline, consistency, and allowing compound growth to do its job. When you put these habits together, something remarkable happens. Money stops being something you constantly worry about and slowly becomes a tool that works for you instead of something you always have to work for. Here's the truth that many people don't realize until it's too late. Building wealth isn't about finding the perfect stock or waiting for the next big investment opportunity. It's about creating a financial system that works automatically. Imagine getting a paycheck and never having to wonder where your money went. The day your salary arrives, a portion goes directly into savings. Another portion goes into long-term investments. Your bills are already planned. Your spending has healthy limits, and whatever is left, you can enjoy without guilt. That's how financially successful people remove emotions from money decisions. They don't rely on motivation every month. They rely on systems, because motivation comes and goes. But a good financial system keeps working even on days when you don't feel disciplined. The goal isn't to become rich overnight. The goal is to make small, smart decisions so consistently that years from now, you'll look back and realize those ordinary habits created extraordinary wealth. Remember, wealth isn't built by earning the highest salary. It's built by making better decisions with the money you already have. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Every dollar you save, every investment you make, and every smart financial habit you build today brings you one step closer to financial freedom tomorrow. Your future wealth won't be decided by one big decision. It will be shaped by the small choices you make consistently over the years. If this video helped you see money differently, subscribe to Grow Your Wealth for practical, story-driven personal finance videos designed to help you build lasting wealth, one smart decision at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.